The seas, bays, gulfs, and straits, smaller portion of the ocean close to the land surface, have been given names. The seas, bays, gulfs, and straits means these are the other water bodies. Sea. A sea is a large body of saline water, salty water. It may be connected with an ocean. If you look at the map of the earth, you will see many seas like Mediterranean Sea, the Caribbean Sea, the South China Sea, the Arabian, Bering Sea, Norwegian Sea, etc. Gulfs. It is a name given to an arm of a sea or ocean partly enclosed by land. This water body is closed by all sides by land. On the map, you would be able to see various gulfs such as Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of Oman, Gulf of Panama, etc. Bays. Bays are defined as a body of water partially enclosed by land. Like Gulf is enclosed by land from all sides, bays are partially enclosed but with a wide mouth affording access to the sea. The water is connected with sea water. There are various bays like Bay of Bengal, Hudson Bay, Bay of Biscay, etc. Straits, narrow channel of water. These are very narrow water bodies connected with the seas or part of the ocean also. Known as straits. You can locate them at many places, including the region between India and Sri Lanka called Park Strait or the Strait of Gibraltar, which connect Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. The last domain, the atmosphere. The layer of air that surround the earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases. The thin blanket of air which covers the earth provide us the life-giving gas oxygen and also keep us warm. This is the layer, this is the domain which makes the life possible, which makes us breathe. It also protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Layers of atmosphere you can see lowest troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature and other properties started from the surface of the earth. The layers are called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These layers vary in thickness, means every layer has different thickness. Composition of atmosphere. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. It comprises 78% of the total volume of the air. Oxygen forms 21% of the atmosphere. It is vital for the survival of the living beings of the earth. Vital means very important. See, composition of the atmosphere. 78% we have nitrogen, 21% oxygen and these are rest are the other gases. The remaining 1% consists of